Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by narrowing scope. Decide whether Neon Man is a person, project, or nickname, then pick 3 related keywords that vary intent. Open a search engine and set the time frame to recent 24 hours or 7 days so results stay current. Add source types next: mainstream outlets, niche blogs, and social platforms or RSS feeds. Once done, run parallel searches across those sources to capture varied angles and avoid echo chambers while you collect raw links. Now focus on verifying and filtering. Use advanced search operators like cite, entitle, and file type to pull precise results quickly. You should cross-check any notable claim across at least 2 independent outlets to reduce misinformation risk. Inspect social posts for original timestamps, screenshots, or links back to primary sources. If you find an original post, follow it and note author details. Once you've validated facts, tag items by credibility and priority so you can build a reliable, rank-ordered list of leads. Finish by compiling a concise list: headline, direct link, a credibility score, and a 1-sentence note explaining relevance. Publish or save it in a place you can update, document, spreadsheet, or a small CMS, and immediately set alerts or RSS for new mentions. If you can't find original sources, widen your search terms, check archived pages, and review image metadata when available. Finally, if results stall, change time frame or language filters. That quick pivot usually uncovers buried or regional coverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.